Joe from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Honda Jazz here on a 2009 plate with 59, says 2009 2010. What I'm doing is I'm doing a position lamp. As you can see, that there is working. This one here isn't. Now to do this side as well, it is quite a simple procedure. It's that cable right there. So what you do, you wedge your hands in there and then turn it to your left, pull the thing out, pull the bulb holder out and replace the bulb, which is a 501 bulb. On this side it is quite an awkward one because of the space. I won't be able to get the camera in there. I'm just going to see if I can change the position of the... can I get light please? Yeah. So is that plug right there. So what we've got to do, same thing again, turn it to your left, pull the bulb holder out and that's it. So I'm just going to change the position again. Now wedge my fingers in. So it's that plug, this one here, wedge fingers in, turn that to my left, pull the whole thing out. Just remember, when you do take it out, you've got to remember these seals as well. So make sure you've got the seal on there, otherwise you'll get water inside. It is a 501 bulb. You can find that in the link in the description. You'll find a link for it, where to get it. And if there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you out. And we've got a special thanks button as well. If this video saved you a lot of money, don't forget to click on that. Turn the lights up please. What we've got to do, change the bulb. So it's a 501. Got the new one right here. Let's slot the bulb through. Turn the lights off please. I just told him to turn the lights off and he kept them on, but that's it. Good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slot it through the hole again. You just got to make sure you get it through the right hole and then turn it to my right. Might need to use my other hand. That's it. Okay, now turn the lights on. Oh, I'm going to do it myself. Now you can see that there is working. This one is working as well. There is a video for the Honda Jazz, a similar one with the main dip bulb. If you want to know how to replace that as well, we've got that on there. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.